The Aurangzeb debate continues to rages on, but the RSS has come with very interesting comments. The RSS this time downplaying the controversy over the Nagpur tomb especially, and ever since we have seen the violence also that have come in. Remember, what has happened is that they've called the controversy in Nagpur unnecessary, while the Uttarakhand government has gone on a renaming drive in the hill state to remove traces of Aurangzeb's rule. RSS leader Suresh Bhayaji Joshi called the tomb showdown unnecessary. He says anyone who has faith can visit Aurangzeb's tomb, which he claims was built due to India's inclusivity. But this comes after days after senior Sangh leader also called the Mughal ruler irrelevant in the present day. How is then the Uttarakhand government responding differently? They've renamed at least 10 areas, including Haridwar's Aurangzeb Nagar to Shivaji Nagar, calling it a bid to preserve India's cultural heritage. In this renaming drive in the hill state, among the changes are, for example, Aurangzeb Nagar renamed to Shivaji Nagar, Mohammadpur is now Mohanpur, Khanpur has been changed to Krishna Nagar. In Dehradun itself, Miawala area is now Ramji Wala. Nawabi Nagar in Nainital will likely be now known as Atal Marg. So these are some of the changes that have come in. RSS has a different take on this.
महाराज शिवाजी और औरंगजेब में तुलना करेंगे तो हमारी जड़ें तो शिवाजी तरफ जुड़ना चाहिए। हमारे देश के जो नागरिक हैं उनके प्रति भाव होना चाहिए। ये रहीम रसखान का भी सम्मान करता है, अच्छी बात है, लेकिन रहीम रसखान ने यहाँ के भगवान कृष्ण की भक्ति गाई है, जड़ों से जुड़ने का प्रयास किया है। लेकिन वो शासक जिन शासकों की भारत के प्रति कोई लगाव नहीं, ये उसी प्रकार से जैसे अंग्रेजों का है। अंग्रेजों से क्यों बाकी लोगों ने स्वतंत्रता का युद्ध लड़ा है, देश को आजाद क्यों कराया है।